Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel, Doctor's Goal. Let's talk about mechanism of action of bortezomib. Bortezomib enter to the cell and attach to 26 proteasome that lead to increase the activity of J and K and release reactive oxygen species. These species act on mitochondria and lead to breakdown of mitochondria. You see mitochondrial breakdown occur. It also effect on ubiquitin protein P53, increase the activity of ubiquitin and lead to misfolded protein. As well as it also effect on NFKB decrease. The NFKB decrease cell proliferation, decrease cell survival. And all these misfolded protein cell proliferation decrease cell survival, and mitochondrial breakdown may lead to increased apoptosis, and at the end cell death occur. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.